Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Enter on Elementor. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. As an example, you can use Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Word. I was going to say WordPress, not WordPress. Firefox, maybe, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. And once you go and open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type elementor.com and hit the enter button. And that should take you directly to the homepage or the main screen of the Elementor website. If you have an account, make sure to go to the top right corner, click at login, and you will find that page to enter your email, password, then sign in into your account or log in into it, or you can even continue with your Google account to get logged in into your account without any time wasted. If you don't have an account, click at Get Started here at the top right corner, or you can click on that on the middle. Here, choose the design to start your website. Let's say, an example, digital marketing for me. Start with this design. And as you can see, they'll actually ask you to pay for a plan, first of all, so you can start using the design. If you don't want to pay or anything, just go back and click at Skip and start with a blank website, and you can create your own. But as you can see, they'll even ask you for the same price, which is the basic plan. Of course, you can click on this, or if you already have a hosting, click at see our plugin only plans. As you can see, there have the essential plan, expert plan, and the agency plan. Each comes with its own features and price. So once you created your account or you sign in into your account, you'll find yourself on something like that, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen after you logged in into your account on Elementor website. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to use Anchor, and of course, if you want to do that, or Anchor, sorry. So let's just get into the website builder so we can use the Anchor. And as you can see, this is going to be the menu Anchor. Once we type it here, just drag it in. And as you can see here, once we click on it, we'll be able to change whatever we want. As you can see, for example, about, and you have here the dynamic tags, but this for this you will have to get the pro. Just go and pay for one of their plans. As we said in the beginning of this tutorial, all of their plans comes with the Elementor Pro website builder, and if you have the pro, you will have a lot of necessary options, so make sure to use this or to have it. As you can see here, this ID will be the CSS ID. You will have to use in your own page without the hashtag. And of note, the ID link only accepts these charts from A to Z, and of course with capital letters and the normal letters, and from 0 to 9, which is numbers, and underscore and normal score. So keep that in mind. And here, once you type anything, it's an example, as we said, I don't know, let's just type about. As you can see, you'll find this right here, and you'll be able to move it wherever you want, delete it, and make sure this anchor is placed on a dark area, because on a light website, on a light page, it might not appear, because as you can see, it's a gray rectangle here. So make sure it's kind of in a dark color so it's shown correctly. And it's normally you'll find it just in the Elementor editor. So of course, this ID normally here will just be for just to specify some unique names for the widgets. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.